Good afternoon. I am Jeff from JT's Landscaping, and as you can see, we have two very expensive china cabinets. The glass here, it's bevel glass, beautiful. And I got my backhoe here. So we're going to take the Bobcat E35 with the bucket and the thumb. I'm going to pick this up, and guess what, guys? I'm going to squash it. So please give me some thumbs up after, leave some comments, tell me what you think about it. Please subscribe to the channel, JT's Landscaping, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any great videos coming up. Here we go.
Bring the power up. Throttle. Yeah. As you can see, guys, they made short work of it. Probably $1,000 china cabinet, but Harry's, we don't care. Give me some thumbs up, leave some comments. Please subscribe to the channel, JT's Landscaping. Hit that notification bell. Until the next video, enjoy.